2 calling 1, United 1991, San Francisco ground, taxi via Bravo, Quebec 1 Alpha.
Bravo, Quebec 1 Alpha, United 1991.
Who else?
United 1615, did you say follow Delta?
Alright, that's 2 calling 1, so I think that's United 1615, continue via Hotel Alpha, Alpha 1.
Hotel Alpha, Alpha 1, United 1615.
Who else?
JetBlue 334, Oscar.
JetBlue 334, you're going to give way to a Delta 75, ahead and to your right. Behind them, runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1.
Delta 75, 1 right, Alpha, Alpha 1.
So the 2488, give way to the JetBlue Airbus ahead and your right. They've got an edict that's earlier than yours.
Okay, to give way to the JetBlue on our right now, Delta 2488.
JetBlue 334, Delta 75 will give way to you due to your edict time. Runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1. At hotel, give way to a Speedbird.
Right, Alpha, Alpha 1 in front of the 75, and give way to Speedbird, JetBlue.
Wait, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, last 1327.
United A321, traffic holding 28, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 left, United 821.
United 507 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, traffic holding on 28, runway 1 right, line of point.
Runway 1 right, 507 Heavy.
United 752 San Francisco Tower, traffic holding 28, runway 1 left, line of point.
Runway 1 left, United 10.
Using the 212 Heavy from Mustard Echo, flight back down to 28, have a good day.
On that day, 4, 118, that's right now. Asiana 212, not having making April, quarter 4.
Asiana 212 Heavy, San Francisco ground, taxi left turn Bravo, Hotel Alpha for the ramp. 212 Heavy, you're going to the Alpha side, correct?
Asiana 212, say again?
Asiana 212 Heavy, Bravo to the ramp.
Bravo to the ramp, Asiana 212.
United 821, contact NorCal departure, have a good flight.
United 821, thank you, hasta luego.
28 right, clear to land. 1 right, clear for takeoff. United 1062, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
Let's take off 1 left, United 1062.
Alaska 1327, contact NorCal departure, have a good day. Air 7 Heavy, traffic holding 28, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
United 507 Heavy, we're clear for takeoff, 1 right.
Guys, 501 San Francisco, Cosmic Tunnel, runway 1 right, line of point, traffic park wait.
1 right, line of point, 501.
West 5701, use caution, similar sounding aircraft on frequency. 5701 to San Luis Obispo, runway 1 left, line up and wait, crossing with turbulence, traffic will park wait.
1 left, line up and wait, United 701. Heavy 10404, traffic holding on the 1, so make 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 left, United 857 Heavy. United 859 Heavy, runway 28 left, line up and wait, traffic will hold into departure 1.
28 left, line up and wait, United 869 Heavy.
United 1062, contact NorCal departure, have a good day.
Departure, good day, United 1062.
United 507 Heavy, contact NorCal departure, bye-bye.
507 Heavy, go so long.
Via Alpha, Foxtrot Bravo, Hotel Alpha, Alpha 1.
Alpha Foxtrot Bravo, Hotel Alpha 1, United 1 right, United 26
Traffic holding on 28, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
1 left, clear for takeoff, Sky 6701, thanks.
Sky 5501 going to Salt Lake City, traffic holding on the 28, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Sky 5501.
Delta 1344, San Francisco Tower, traffic will park 28, runway 1 right, line of white.
Line of wait, 1 right, Delta 1344.
Sky with 838 Golf, San Francisco Tower, traffic will depart 28, runway 1 left, line of white.
Runway 1 left, Skywest 838 Golf.
United 857 Heavy, contact NorCal departure, have a good day.
Prior to that time. Okay, thank you.
runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
28 left, clear for takeoff, United 869 Heavy.
ATC 701, contact the hotel departure, bye-bye.
Switching departures,
Have a good day. 44, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff, Delta 1344.
Delta 522, San Francisco Town, runway 1 right, line of flight.
1 right, line away, Delta 522.
Airbus A328 Golf, runway 1 left, cleared for takeoff.
1 left, cleared for takeoff, Airbus A328.
Airbus 73, San Francisco Town, runway 1 left, line of flight.
1 left, line for 1, Airbus 75.
License 5869, passway 3 left, contact down 28, have a good day.
That's right, so passway
Heavy, contact your hotel departure, bye. Exit 419 Papa, hold short of runway 28 right at Echo for wind turbulence.
Bravo 14 to push with Oscar.
Bravo 2255, San Francisco ground pushback, your discretion on the taxi lane Yankee.
Clear to push on the Yankee, Southwest 2255. Ground rise 2069, clear and Tango for Delta 16.
Horizon 2869, San Francisco ground, taxi Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha ramp, please. United 701 Heavy as spot information on
United 871 Heavy, San Francisco ground, runway 28 left, taxi via Alpha, Foxtrot, hold short, runway 1 left.
Clear to 2 left, off. 38 Golf, good night.
Delta 522, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 522.
United 1615, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line of flight.
Runway 1 right, line up and wait, 1615.
Airbus 573, runway 1 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 left, Scotia 573.
Delta 1344, contact your hotel departure, have a good day.
Delta 1344, good day.
Alpha, Golf, Bravo.
1 left via Alpha Golf Bravo, Skywest 3498.
San Francisco Tower, Delta 2488.
Delta 2488, you're going to be on the runway rolling at 49.
Okay, is it okay to shut down yet?
It's up to you, but just make sure you're on the runway at 40. You'll be ready to be on the runway at 49, okay?
Okay, thank you. On Southwest 2255, we're working on the tug apparently, so it might be just a few seconds or a minute.
Southwest 2255, that's fine. Just whenever you're ready, push back onto Yankee, your discretion.
Roger.
Delta 334, San Francisco Town, runway 1 right, line of flight.
11 wait,
573, contact your hotel departure, have a good day.
Good day, Scotia 573.
522, go to NorCal departure, please. Have a good day.
We'll see you down at 522.
Airbus 595, runway 28 left, clear to land. Papa custom-wake turbulence for a heavy that departed full length up to parallel, runway 28 right at Echo, clear for takeoff.
Here Oscar, Zulu Oscar, Oakland Center, squawk 247.
Contact your hotel departure, have a good day. Runway 1 right.
Last thing I remember.
Cleared for takeoff, wind 0605.
How much ever takeoff? 234.
United 727 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 1 right, United 727.
15 San Francisco Tower, wind 060 at 5, and make straight right, clear to land. San Francisco Tower, runway 1 left, line up and wait.
1 left, line up and wait, Skywest 3498.
There's a 419 Papa, contact aircraft departure, have a good flight.
Departure, good 419 Papa.
Airside 986 Heavy, San Francisco Sun. Very clear to Zulu Bravo Alpha Alpha via the Gunner 2 departure. Amaker transition. Direct Boxer as filed. Climb to the SID. Squawk 3720. Heavy, readback is correct. Have a nice flight.
208 San Francisco Tower, runway straight left, clear to land. 7 Heavy, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 1 right, United 727.
Good to start 95, turn left. Southwest 342 at taxiway Echo, cross runway 28 left, contact ground point 8.
Echo cross, good ground.
United 71 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, taxiway Foxtrot, cross runway 1 left, hold short, runway 1 right.
Foxtrot, cross 1 left, hold short 1 right, United 71.
709 San Francisco Tower, make straight right, clear to land. 208 San Francisco Tower, make straight left, clear to land. Southwest 342 San Francisco then, taxi at Alpha to the ramp. What was the gate again?
Alpha to ramp, we're going up 13.
Halfway the company into taxiway off of Yankee once we get down there to get into the gate, but that's how they will continue Alpha to the ramp.
Okay, Alpha to ramp. Ground Southwest 22, taxi.
Southwest 2255, runway 1 right, taxi to Alpha, Alpha 1.
Alpha 1, 1 right, Southwest 2255.
And Southwest 342, you can disregard the traffic, they're moving now.
Alright, sounds good, thanks.
6511 San Francisco Tower approved. San Francisco altimeter generate 9er, wind 060 at 4, postcode 6511.
Anyone approach?
2055 San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, United 2055.
American 884 San Francisco Tower, runway 2 right, clear to land. Go 3498, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
1 left, 70 got sky, 3498.
And left at taxiway Delta. United 447 San Francisco Tower, runway 2 left, clear to land. 17 Roger, your caution company is going into 13, push back your discretion on taxi lane Yankee and give me those numbers again.
Clear to push on the Yankee. Southwest 1293.
Thank you.
Question clear enough.
ISR 862 Heavy, San Francisco clearance clear to Keflavik Airport as filed. Climb via the SID and squawk 6346.
So ground taxi at Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha the ramp.
ISR 862 Heavy, reback correct affirmative, expect runway 01 right.
Correction 3498, contact air departure, have a good flight, bye-bye.
Contact departure, Sky 3498. See you later. Tower 470 Bravo, visual 311.
Alpha 208, turn left at Echo, contact ground point 8, adios.
Contact Echo, ground 11.
Delta 709 at Quebec, crossway to it left, contact ground point 8, no delay in your crossing, please.
Quebec, crossway left, ground 7.
Skywards 5838, San Francisco Tower, change to runway 28 right, runway 28 right, clear to land, crossway terms, heavy 777, will depart parallel.
Yeah, Bravo to the left, go back to the wing.
Delta 709, San Francisco ground, taxi via Alpha to the ramp.
709.
Have a good day.
To NorCal, good day, United 26.
Coast Guard 6511, radar contact, squawk 0354, altitude.
0354, and 100.
Terminal heavy 777 in position, runway 28 left, clear to land. A1 heavy, runway 28 left, line up and wait, traffic will hold in car 1, traffic 10 mile final, and ever air.
Runway 2 left, United 20.
Gap 3326, traffic ahead and to your right, moving to your 2 o'clock, 2 miles 1,300, type is unknown. It looks like they're circling back towards San Francisco, probably just bend a little bit and turn to the south. 2255, traffic holding 28, runway 19, clear to takeoff.
Take off on right, Southwest 2265.
Airline 447, turn left at high speed Tango, contact ground point 8, you have a good day.
Left on Tango, ground point 8.
884, taxi Delta, crossway to left, contact ground point 8.
Shot 4.
447, San Francisco ground, Bravo to the land.
American 84, left hand right now.